Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to change your language settings in RedNote. So all you really need to do is get to the settings cogs, and there are multiple ways to do this. You could go on the little me button at the bottom right of your screen, and there'll be a settings icon on the top right of the screen. Getting my directions confused here. Alternatively, you can open the little sidebar over here on the top left, and you can click on settings at the bottom left. Either way, as soon as you go in, it'll bring you to the general settings tab, and from there you can select languages. Now mine is already set to English, but you can change it as you please. Some things are still going to be in Mandarin. It doesn't really matter what you do. Notifications, for instance, they'll still be in Mandarin even though you've set your language to English. But that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.